General Motors announced today an investment of more than $7 billion in 4 Michigan manufacturing sites, creating 4,000 new jobs and retaining 1,000, and significantly increasing battery cell and electric truck manufacturing capacity. This is the single largest investment announcement in GM history. The investment includes construction of a new Ultium Cells battery cell plant in Lansing and the conversion of GM's assembly plant in Orion Township, Michigan for production of the Chevrolet Silverado EV and the electric GMC Sierra, GM's second assembly plant scheduled to build full-size electric pickups. These investments are the latest step toward accelerating GM's drive to become the EV market leader in North America by 2025. The Orion and Ultium Cells Lansing investments announced today will support an increase in total full-size electric truck production capacity to 600,000 trucks when both Factory Zero and Orion facilities are fully ramped. GM has been the leader in U.S. full-size truck deliveries over the past 2 years. In addition, the company is investing in its 2 Lansing area vehicle assembly plants for near-term product enhancements. As previously announced, GM will continue to strategically manage the conversion of its North American manufacturing footprint through unprecedented speed, flexibility, and precision. Through site conversion and new facilities, GM is uniquely positioned to stay ahead of the growing demand for electric vehicles while balancing the need to aggressively compete to win in today's market with strong products,